Well, hey there, y'all. Well, guess you can tell that I'm inside of a building, right? It's dark out and stuff. And here is my honey extraction equipment. That's like an old capping tank. I mean, old school. And now the thing is, the weather's a little bit cooler than normal. So, guess what we got going? Now, this isn't so much about beekeeping, okay? This is about lanterns. So, this is what we got. We got 2 Coleman dual fuels, which they're going to provide some heat, but that's not what I'm wanting to show you. What I have is, here's a Coleman dual fuel, and then this is a lantern called BriteLyt. And it's a kerosene lantern, and here it's a very clean burning. It's a little bit tricky to learn how to operate it first, but because with it being kerosene, it does burn different. So, but the thing is, this thing can burn all night on one tank on high. There's that much more energy in this, and also, this lantern, it can be used as somewhat of a heater. It produces 20,000 BTUs per hour. So, it's perfect for what I got going on right now. And if you notice the brightness, it's going to be kind of hard to tell, huh? Let's see if, but the Coleman lantern has a little more of a yellow tint to it than the kerosene lantern does. So, I don't know if let's see if we can catch that or not. It looks as white as that bucket, huh? Let's move it over here just a tad. See if that changes anything. But to me, with the naked eye, it has a little bit more of a yellow. Well, it has a lot more of a yellow tint to the light. And yeah, I can't really catch that on the camera. So, but let's see. Let me try something else. Now we got this one, right? Let's set that to the side. Here's the big bad boy. Now this is kerosene, and I mean it really is. It's putting out so much heat. It ain't funny. And I think you can tell, huh? I'll be able to see once I post the video. So, but yeah, with these lanterns, just this one alone here, it should be able to warm the shed up enough to what I want it to do, because it's like 70 in here right now. And I only want it up like 10 degrees, 15, something like that. And that way the honey will flow a lot better, the decapping, and everything else. So, alright, thought I would, man, I can't believe the volume of heat this thing's putting out. So, but yeah, once again, it's made by Petromax. It's nickel, and I think they make all stainless steel lanterns too, or they used to. You'd have to check out their website and stuff. So you might be able to see the nickel part of it. Now it's shiny as silver, So, all right. Well, that's it for now. Y'all have a good one. We'll see you. Oh, here we go. Okay. The brand of this lantern is not Petromax anymore. Now it's called BriteLyt. And I do have 3 of them. And just so you can see, here it's like a survivalist lantern. This one actually has the cage here for to act as more of a heater than as a lantern. And let's see, it is made in the USA. BriteLyt XL, and this one is all nickel, I believe. This one I have all polished up, so it's shiny. This one's been sitting. for a while. But, I mean, they are a beautiful piece of equipment. And, man, they make all kinds of like survival stuff for them. You can get like a cooktop. They can be used as heaters. They're 20,000 BTUs. Let's see, they're a single mantle, okay? And that's what's surprising. Like, if you look at this, it's kind of, that's one mantle in there. It's a little bit smaller than a golf ball. And so it's, for being one mantle, it's so much brighter and everything than the old Colemans. And what it was Petromax was a German lantern company. And an American company bought them out and changed the name to BriteLyt. And I think they're based out of Florida or maybe up in New England or something. So I still have another one too, and it has like a reflector shield on top, so that like right now, this light is like it's glaring into our eyes. They make a reflector plate. It's just a rim, like a beach hat, like the brim of a hat. It's just a brim for the lamp, and it's all nickel too. And it's just a really cool setup. The lanterns are expensive. I mean, they are made out of nickel and stuff. And so I think, when I got these, they're going for like $350 or something. So, but I mean, if you're into the survival stuff, if you need a real piece of like equipment that's going to help you, this is a very good piece of equipment. It's a heater, it's a cook stove, it's light, and the other thing, okay, like all of these parts you can repair. Coleman, they make a lot of their stuff, they stamp parts together and press them together, and you can't really do anything with them. All this stuff is nuts and bolts. It's actually a lot of military places used to get these lanterns. So I don't know if they still do, but they used to. So it was considered like a military lantern. So, all right. Well, y'all have a good one. See y'all, bye.